Hello everyone, friends on the Valor channel. Today I will show you how to recover iCloud without a phone number. Go to any browser for this. Well, we write here respectively Apple support. Right? Here we go to this link, iforgotapple.com. Click reset password and enter the email address and the code from the picture here. Here, next, enter the phone number. Next, click we do not have access to the phone. Here, then click I don't have any of these options. Click continue anyway. Here you will have your phone number and click that you cannot use this phone number. Here, then click send code to email address and accordingly enter this code. Well, I click the next button. Here, and accordingly you can confirm through your card or click no card, right? Enter a new phone number here and confirm it. Here, and after that you will receive a response to your email address where you can, accordingly, reset your password. That's all. Valor was with you. Subscribe to the channel. Bye everyone.